Okay, I have a question. This is for Diana. This question is about how to undo an S2KP stitch, or what is also known as a center double decrease. So let's just show you how to do it real quick. I showed this yesterday in a short tutorial. You slip the next 2 stitches on your left needle knitwise, where that second stitch that was over here becomes your first stitch over here. You knit the next stitch, whoops, and then you pass those 2 slip stitches over and off that for a center double decrease. So Diana was asking, and I'm sure other people have this question too, how do you, if you had, that was a mistake, maybe you did it a stitch too early, how do you undo this? So just go backwards. The last thing you did was you slipped those 2 stitches over and off. So grab those 2 stitches with your left hand needle, bring them back up onto your right hand needle. When I do that, and I didn't do that, I try to bring that other stitch that I passed it over and off to the edge, because that's going to be the last thing you did then, was you knitted that stitch. This is in a blue, light blue color, so you can see it pretty well because I'm doing 2 colors here. Alright, so then I pull on my yarn. You can see where I knitted it, so I undo that next. So now I've got that 3rd stitch over here already, so that's undone. Then the next part that you did to make it look like this was you slip those 2 stitches together knitwise. So you come all the way over here like this and just slip them back like that, and it puts them back. And just to double check yourself, your right leg should be in front of your left leg. Make sure it's oriented right. If it's not, you can always untwist it and rearrange it, but that's right, and that's right, and that's right. So that's how I would undo it. I hope that's helpful. Let's do the other one that I showed you. The other one I showed you was where you slip the 2 stitches together knitwise, then you put them back onto your purlwise, back onto this left hand needle, and then you knit these 3 stitches together through the back loop to do the center double decrease. So how would you undo that? Think about what you just did. So you knitted them through the back loop. So I would put my left hand needle through all 3 of them. Let that stitch go. Just go backwards of everything you just did. Then the next part of that was where I had put it onto the left hand needle after slipping. So there you go. I put it back onto the right hand needle to undo that, and then I had slipped those stitches together knitwise. So you come all the way over to this stitch, because this stitch is number 2 over here. Slip it back, and there you go. And just double check that your right leg is in front, and that's how you undo your center double decrease stitches either way if you do them either way. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them down in the comments below. But when you have things that are multiple stitches, again, just try to go in reverse of how you created it. Alright, hope you all have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Hope to see you all very, very soon.